Hey, all right. I know you said you might have found, I can't remember what you said you found. I'm gonna just record this or show you what I did. So, anyways, I'm rambling. Go to home, go to gradebook, we go to manage gradebook. Okay, and then if you go to final marks right here, you can change this. Now, I didn't change this one on Aries. I just looked to see what it was, I think. Um, and then I made sure, so that's what that one is. So I looked at that one, and then I went into here, and I went to Canvas, and I went to settings. If you go down, you click on enable grading scheme, and then view grading screen. Okay, and if you manage them, um, then you hit manage, and you can create your own. Okay, it'll make sense once you hit that. So I did that to match. So 93 to 100, 93. Well, I didn't give an A plus, I guess, in this one, but you can if you want. But basically, it's the same, right? So if they're like a 77 to an 80 here, then they're 77 to less than an 80, I should say. Less than an 87 to 83, 83 to 80, et cetera, less than an 80, so a 79.9 to a 77. So you can make it what you want, but that's how you do that, just to make sure that they match up. The other thing that I forgot to mention that Sibley told me was for categories. So I had like just written Zoom attendance. It didn't look like this, right? And she clarified that it has to look exactly like it does in Canvas. So I was looking at my Canvas categories and like assignments, quizzes, Zoom attendance, participation. It said something else. It said that, but it was different. So I had to change that to make sure they looked exactly the same. So I think that's pretty much it. But let me know if that helps.